terms of a best endeavor. देखिए, we were one of the first countries in the world to stop flights from China. उसका कारण आपको पता है, मैं ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाना चाहूँगा. उसके बाद में कई ऐसे देश थे जहाँ से जो फ्लाइट्स आ रही थी, हमें उनकी बड़ी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्क्रीनिंग करनी पड़ी. करीब 15,28,000 लोगों की हमने स्क्रीनिंग की हमारे 30 अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डों पे. और यहाँ पे जो है कब से शुरू होगा आई डोंट नो. मैं आपको थोड़े से आंकड़े देना चाहता हूँ. द टोटल फ्लाइट स्क्रीन्ड एट इंडियन एयरपोर्ट फ्रॉम 18th January 23rd March. टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्लाइट्स 14,154. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर्स स्क्रीन 15,24,266. total passengers referred, total evacuation from Wuhan. All these statistics we've got. Now, when can we start a flight from a particular place from where the pandemic started? We have already repatriated people from Wuhan by Air India, 654 people. We have evacuated by the Indian Air Force from Wuhan, 112, including 36 foreign nationals. So I have that, but I am not in a position. You see, when somebody says, why don't you bring in somebody from a particular country in Latin America? If that country is a hot spot, there may be other considerations. But as I said, we recently, I think, had a flight coming in through some other airline. People were brought in from Argentina, Chile, and other countries, and then on to India. So these are cooperative efforts which are underway.
This is one specific question from Anusha. EU nations allowing people with Type D visa.
With?
Type D visa.
Yeah.
They have changed rules. Why are airlines not allowing people to board?
I'm afraid I don't know what a Type D visa is, even though I spent 40 years in another profession. But I don't know what a Type D visa is and what it is. But if the person asking the question, if they can send me an explanation what it is, we'll certainly take it up with the airline. But let me tell you, the airline has no interest in your precise visa status other than the airline must be allowed to carry you as a bona fide passenger. If you have entry at the point of destination, the airline has no difficulty in carrying you. I mean, there was a problem in between when Delhi airport, some students, I think 4 students were denied boarding, but it turned out to be correct because apparently the visa was valid, but the concerned authorities in the United States were taking the view that if the universities are closed, why are the people coming back? Because they may not be admitted at the point of entry, which would have meant that the student would have flown from here to San Francisco and then not be allowed entry. So we had to sort it out. So whenever you start an operation like this, there is teething problem, there are some issues, but then you try to resolve them. And I think by and large, we have succeeded in resolving them.
Sir, one question about asking why only Kerala state have many flights under Vande Bharat? Why not AP, Telangana and other states?
It just so happened, I don't know. First of all, I don't know whether I should answer this question, but I'm going to answer it in a lighter way. I think most of my Malayali friends, many more of my Malayali friends have gone abroad in recent years to places like the Gulf. And that is where the pressure to come back is. Which does not mean that the number of people from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana is less. Or it also doesn't mean that people from Punjab are not wanting to come back. So this is a refrain that I listen to constantly. Why are you not bringing flights to Amritsar from London? Why are you not... ever since I contested an election from Amritsar, Amritsar has got a Toronto flight, Amritsar has got everyday flight to Birmingham, Amritsar airport is now for privatization. ये तो चलता रहता है. But not because I contested an election from there. It happens because those are the circumstances which come. In it Joe happens, I can give you this thing. You have to, I must say, at the end of the day, even to draw a mother's attention, a child has to do a bit of crying. So the state governments have to take the lead. And I must say, some state governments are more active than other state governments. I'll only say that.
Okay, sir. Again, Vande Bharat, they are from Nigeria, so no flight from Africa. Nigeria is multiplying cases.
Madam, let me stop you there. This is not a correct characterization. No flight from X, no flight from Y. Even in normal times, there were no flights. So here you are trying to schedule flights from where you normally had flights. I mean, I'm doing Toronto because I had flights from Toronto. I'm doing JFK in Chicago. So you can say that it can be a legitimate expectation by people who are stranded. Like one of my colleagues, a party MP, said there are 300 people stranded in Algiers or Morocco, Algeria or Morocco. Yes, we'll try and do it. But the question cannot be why no flight from there. Even when there was no COVID-19, there was no flight to many of the countries which are now being named. They are not part of our civil aviation operation. But yes, we'll try. If there are people there, what we will do is that we will ask them to come by some other carrier to a point in Europe.